Welcome back, winners. Guess who I got with me this time? It's been a month, maybe more, 5 or 6 weeks since Cameron's been in the park. And it is busy today. It is Dapper Dan Day. So you are going to see lots and lots of folks dressed up to the nines, floofy dresses and straw hats and whatnot. Gonna be busy. It is busy. You can see there's a whole gaggle of Dapper Danners right there. And it is jamming. It took us nearly 30 minutes to get into the park. Security wasn't bad at the park, but the buses were packed up. I was here Wednesday and they were running at least 15 buses. Today I counted 7. Sunday afternoon, 12:30, and only running 7 buses. So I don't know. I don't get that. But today is a Sunday fun day. We have no objective. We are going to, first out of the gate, go get something good to eat. And then we're just going to see where the day blows us, to coin a phrase. And you guys can come along for the ride. Hope you enjoy. Main Street vibe check. Woo-hoo-hoo. Busy. Oh, look at all the corn dogs. I'm starving. Neither one of us have had anything to eat all day. So that's going to be prime objective. But here we go, little Dapper Danny action. Is this the Pearly Band, I think? Ooh, man, I haven't seen it this busy. Of course, we haven't been on a weekend in months. But holy camole, that's jumping, baby. Mobile order hack to the rescue. Got this sucker in like 5 minutes flat. That is the andouille sausage po' boy from Tiana's Palace. Comes with collard greens and pickled veg. Holy cow, it looks and smells delicious. Yeah, that's good. That the sausage it's a little spicy. It's got a nice snap to it, a good remoulade sauce on it. The pickle is good, a little skimpy on the pickle, but loaded with collard greens, and those are dank. Those are rich and a little sweet from some stewed tomatoes. We put a little hot sauce on. The vinegar helps to cut the richness, but that's really good and well more than enough for 2 people to share. Holy wow. I mean, it wasn't this busy at any point in spring break.
No.
This is Christmas busy. Only it's 80 degrees.
No, not you. Turn around. And turn around. You were facing the wall. There you go. There we go. Turn around, Ben.
So, of course, with Mama's Day in Disneyland, we've got to do the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Woohoo! We'll see how this one compares to Paris and if Paris is still your favorite or not. I know this one holds a special place in her heart. Woo-hoo.
We haven't been on this side.
Oh God! Boy, the back of the train hits different. If you are familiar with Big Thunder Mountain, you will notice that something is a bit amiss with the water. And spoke to a cast member, and they said, "Yeah, they dyed it wrong." We're gonna go try to sneak a single rider on Indy, catch a quick glimpse of the Disneyland band, and then all the Dapper Dans getting on the Columbia and the Mark Twain. It's nuts over here. Ooh, nice. Oh my goodness, will you look at all of this. Kidding me? Am I gonna get another copyright? Banned in Uzbekistan. Very nice.
Thank you.
Oh, mercy. A big old goose.
No, he's kissing. I can
All the dappers. Look at all this. Look at all of it.
Everybody's like, that's all good.
Are they waiting in line for the boat, Tamara? Is there some kind of photo op that we don't know about or something? Hey, cheers.
Nice. Cheers.
Lots of dapper action. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, guys. Chimney sweep. That's cool. What the heck is going on? All right, I gotta find out now.
I know.
All right, Tamara stopped and asked, what's the deal?
So the deal is that since it's Dapper Dan Day at 2 o'clock, everybody, it's like a meetup. So everybody tries to meet up and get on the boat.
Oh.
But it's like 2:20.
Yeah, they are backed up from the boat. Wow. But there you go. Okay, that's why they're all in line. Quick change of plans. Pirates is a walk-on. They're calling it 30. I don't know if we're rope dropping a breakdown or what, but this is 12. This is not 30 minutes. Left side always.
I thought that was longer.
Negative. Do you even watch my videos?
Yeah, but I mean,
dentro del barco y cuiden a los niños.
this is the last time we get to do this for a while.
I know, it's May 4th is coming.
I know.
I'm trying to soak it all in.
I know.
There'll be squalls ahead, and Davy Jones waiting for them. What don't obey?
Give them the treasure map and the key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the look on Captain Jack
One among these shipmates was at sea. Salute. Pick up me, Lottie Joe. Vessels and scoundrel villains and knaves. Pick up me, Lottie Joe. The devils and blacks, you really bad eggs. Pick up me, Lottie Joe.
Alrighty, now on to Indy Single Rider. As I said in my last video, Pirates of the Caribbean closing May the 4th. And so is the Blue Bayou Restaurant. Closing May the 4th for an undetermined amount of time, at least at this point. I think they have the Blue Bayou opening back up May 21st, but it's supposed to open before Pirates with a modified dining experience.
Something like that.
Don't know what that means. But long story short, if you want to see the full front row 4K uninterrupted POV, click up here on this card. I videoed the entire ride, so if you want to get your fix while Pirates is closed, click right here. I'll post it as a standalone video. Mama has opted to take one for the team. There was only literally one single rider left, and I didn't get to do Indy last time. It was no single riders available, and it was too long for me to wait for that day, and it's not coming down for refurb or anything, so it didn't make the cut last time. They've got it posted at 40. They are walking right to the bottle. That's a solid 45 minutes, but Mama was gracious enough to let me go on my favorite ride, solo backdoor single rider. Yay, thanks. There we go, 19 minutes to the Jeep. Unfortunate, that should have been more like an 8-minute ride. Wait. Struggled outside the solo room for some reason. The cast member there was only letting one DAS and 3 single riders at a time. We sat there in that sort of just past the mix point, just outside the solo room for 15 solid minutes. And then they had a cast member change, a shift change. The new cast member immediately dumped the entire single rider line, the way it's supposed to work. Before we waited 3 full rotations. I don't know why that is, but I never ever try to disparage a cast member, but she was doing it wrong.
Hold on one, really adventure.
Here we go again. That wasn't bad. We rolled single rider, as I showed you, and we were on maybe, what, 15 minutes?
Oh yeah, it's that.
And Tamara actually got selected for the boat right behind me, row 6. I was row 5, and the guy that was in my boat, row 6, said, "Hey, you guys know each other? You want to ride together?" And so she got to jump. We got a little park magic, as it were. Yeah. So we got to ride together. I'm not sure if the front row or the back row is more rough, but man, left side whips your ass. Oi. Little mid-afternoon park hopping. Gonna go see if we can squeeze in the Incredicoaster. That might be all that's on the agenda. Well, maybe. We might be able to squeeze in one silly little thing. Buena Vista Street is busy. There's an Ocho Cinco jersey. You don't see those too often. Wow. Mercy, mercy. Boink, boink, boink. Boink, boink. And Incredicoaster was busy. Yeah, so, I mean, a single rider was probably 55 minutes to an hour, backed all the way up to the Coco sign. We're going to go put eyes on single rider on Radiator Springs. And if that's out of the question, then we're going to make you suffer through our silliness on tow meters. Yeah, I think this is going to work. Single rider to the first bridge should be 25, 28 minutes. We'll do it. 24 minutes on the nose, and we're riding together. More parrots. There's 4 of them. Haha. Cool. Yeah, very bright, very healthy looking.
Yeah.
This is the exact same tree I saw them in before, so I guess they come here and eat and roost. 24 minutes and in the same car. And we lost. I swear we've ridden this ride 30 times and we've maybe won 5.
5 times.
There at one point, Tamara won 3 times in a row. But
that was the last time I won.
Overwhelming majority of the time we lose. But
It's still
wonderful,
fun.
yes, a wonderful quick little day here in Disneyland. Mama's first trip back in well over a month.
Yeah.
Well, not counting Paris.
Yeah.
And yeah, happy to be back. And since there's no monorail to see, as it is down for, or at least for Edelweiss's refurb, I don't know that the monorail's getting refurbed at all. That is going to do it for us. And we're going to spare you maters this time. But Friday, closing the park.
Yeah.
We are doing maters at night.
Yeah.
For sure. We're going to stay for fireworks and close the park.
Yeah.
So we shall see you winners then.